Nases e kaunti ma Machakos ochungo ng'anyo margi ma jumbe ariyo bang' romo manokelo kanyakla tend riwruogno gi tend kaontino nyago lemo. Kanoloso gi jofwambo, jagoro margi Michael Saka olero ni mano biro tok tend kaontino yie timo dwachgi ka moko kuom dwarogi oting'o meto mag lemo ne Nases go, kete tim winjruok mar CBA kod chudo mag gope mag hola. Jagoro mar kaontino Muya Ndambuki bende nomedo ni chenro mag neno ni Nases go omed lemo oseketi e hik omenda 2026 2027.
Today we've had a day-long meeting with the government and we've been able to make a breakthrough concerning our strike which started on 8th of this month. We had issues which we had raised, and I would like to inform our members and the community in general that our government has agreed, number one, to clear our loans by 30th of September. Number two, the government has agreed to implement the SRC circular by 30th of September. Number four, the government has agreed to implement our nursing services allowance and at 10,000 per month with the arrears backdated. They've agreed to pay our uniform service allowance, which has increased to 25,000 from 10,000. The government has agreed to come up with we are going to form a committee with the government so that we can come up with a good list of nurses to be promoted within 2 weeks.
From us, we can only say thank you to our county labor office for holding our hand, steering these negotiations. From the national office, we thank you for once again coming down to help steer these negotiations to closure.